It's Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Squared Grade 2 Model 3 Topic C. Alright, so let's get started. So this is Lesson 10 explanation part. Number 1, circle the shapes that show 2 equal shares. So shapes that are split in half. Okay, so first we have this circle is split into 3 parts, so that's not half. This is split into 2 parts, but they're not of equal shares, so it's not split into 2 same amounts. This one is split evenly into 2, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one is not even. Okay, and now number 2. So partition the shape into halves, shade and label 1 half. So partition into 2 equal pieces, and they just shaded 1 and labeled it 1 half. Alright, so this is lesson 10. Number 1, circle the shapes that show 2 equal shares. So this one has 2, but it's not equal. This one has 3. This one has 2, but it's not equal. This is not equal. This is equal. This is equal. This is equal, and so is this one. Alright, number 2, what unit describes the 2 equal parts of the shape? So, what unit describes it? Well, these parts are halves. So, halves. And number 3, partition each shape into halves, shade and label 1 half. So, there's multiple ways to do this. You could do it vertically, horizontally, diagonally. I'm just going to choose to do it vertically. And this is 1 half. Ooh. And the circle too, I'm just gonna try to do it horizontally this time. And this is 1 half. Alright, next page, lesson 11. 1, partition each shape and shade 1 unit. So whether you partition into halves, fourths, or thirds, you have to shade in 1 of those units. Now number 2, Matt wants a big piece of brownie. Pam says to cut the brownie into halves. Matt says cutting the brownie into fourths will make bigger pieces. Who is correct? Pam will, just because you're cutting it more times, that means it's being divided more times, so each piece will be smaller. If you're only cutting in half, you're only splitting it into 2 pieces, so each piece will be bigger than cutting it into 4 pieces. And here they have a little thing to show. And now cut out the 10 centimeter ruler. So number 3, use the ruler to measure the paintbrush. So they measured it and they counted 7 centimeters. And then number 4, subtract, show how you know. So 92 minus 68. We know 68 is close to 70. So they minus 70, which is 22. And added the 2 extra they subtracted to get to 24. So our answer is 24. And this is how they showed their work. Alright, this is lesson 11. Number 1, partition each shape and shade 1 unit. Okay. So halves. And we shade 1 unit, so we shade 1 of the half. Okay, and now fourths. There's obviously more than one way you can do it. You could just do it all vertically or or all horizontally. Or you can just make it squares. Okay, and thirds. Shade in 1 of the thirds. Alright, now number 2. So Kevin wants a big slice of cake. Ming says to cut the cake into fourths. Kevin says cutting the cake into halves will make bigger slices. Who is correct? So Kevin is correct. since, okay, we can pretend this is our cake. So this is Ming's plan. She wants to cut it into fourths. So then one piece would be this big. And now Kevin wants to do it into halves. So one piece will be this big. So you can obviously invisibly see Kevin's size is bigger. So then Kevin is correct. And I'll cut out the 10 cm ruler. Number 3, use a 10 cm ruler to measure. Alright, so I already have a ruler. I'm just going to use this. So this microphone is 8 centimeters long. Don't forget your units. Number 4, subtract, show how you know. 64 minus 37. Okay, this is 64. 37 is close to 40. So we're going to do minus 40 to get to 24. And then plus the 3 extra we subtracted to get to 27. So our answer is 27. Alright, lesson 12. Explanation part. Name the shaded part of the shape. It's 3 out of the 4 pieces that are shaded, so it's 3/4. Now write the fraction that makes one whole. So we need 1/2 to make a whole, and then 2 more out of the 3 pieces to make a whole, so 2/3. Alright, name the shaded part of the shape. So number 1, this is 1/2. 2, this is 2 out of the 3 pieces, so that's 2/3. And number 3 is 4 out of the 4 pieces, so 4/4. Write the fraction that makes one whole. So we need 1 more half to make the whole. Here we need 1 more third. Here we need 3 more fourths. Here we need 2 fourths. Oh, here are 2 fourths. Alright. And we have lesson 13, explanation part. Show equal shares, partition each shape 2 ways. So halves, you could do it vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. You guys can choose. And then fourths, you could do it horizontally and vertically, or you could do it sideways, diagonal. Alright. Number 3, Mr. Webb has 41 tomatoes. He uses some tomatoes to make sauce. He has 19 tomatoes left. How many tomatoes does Mr. Webb use? Alright. So, we have 41 tomatoes. So, we don't know how much he uses, but we know he has 19 left. So, 41 minus 19 is 22. So, Mr. Webb uses 22 tomatoes. Okay, lesson 13. Show equal shares, partition each shape 2 ways. So fourths, let's see, we could do this vertically and horizontally, or we could do this diagonally, sideways. Alright, thirds, we could do it vertically, or we could do it horizontally. And halves, we could just do it like that, or we could do it vertically, or you could do it diagonally. It's honestly your guys' choice. There's more than one correct answer. Alright, and number 4, Miss Wells picks 65 apples. She uses some of the apples to bake pies. She has 27 apples left. How many apples does Miss Wells use? Okay, so we know she has or had 65 apples. She uses some, and then the left, she has 27 left. So to find that, we do 65 minus 27, and then we could do the arrow way. So 27 is close to 30, so it can do minus 30, which is 35. and then plus the 3 extra we subtracted, which is 38. So our answer is 38. 65 minus 27 equals 38. So Miss Walls uses 38 apples. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye!